Present my research work, preparation and characterization of self-emulsifying drug delivery systems of indomethacin. So coming to what is self-emulsifying system, so it will be value more than 12 to form immediate oil in water emulsion and a co-surfactant to increase the solubility of the drug with a lesser HLV value. So this system enters the GIT by dilution and motility self-emulsifies to present the drug in the form of droplets. So if you see the biopharmaceutical classification, most of the drugs come under solubility and hence present a problem. So if you see, first they were allowed to reach equilibrium for about 7 days, then their centrifuged supernatant liquid were diluted and then quantified by UV, so the better solubility. And coming to the surfactants, Cremophor, Transcutol, Twin 80, they are showing good solubility, while the co-solvents PG, PG 400, 600 have a better solubility. So these were carried for the further study of constructing the pseudo-ternary phase diagram. So this pseudo-ternary phase diagram, if you see, so this is a sample pseudo-ternary phase diagram with the oil at one end and the surfactant co-surfactant in different ratios. They are mixed by water titration. So first the oil, surfactant, co-surfactant were mixed and then titrated slowly with the water. These marked points indicate self-emulsifying region, which is confirmed by the clarity with the Cremophor Transcutol in 1:1, 1:2, 2:1 and 1:3 ratios, selecting Laberfil as the oil. So this is how we formulated self-emulsifying systems. First the drug was dissolved in the surfactant, co-surfactant by constant stirring. Then slowly the oil was added, maintaining the temperature of 40 degrees. Next, evaluation. Coming to evaluation. So evaluation first is by the dispersibility test, which was conducted in USP dissolution apparatus 2, taking 500 ml of water at 37 degrees centigrade. So this is how the grading is given, with the grade B and C formed within 2 minutes, which are either slightly less clear or fine milky emulsions. They come under the self-emulsifying systems, while if the emulsion is formed within 1 minute, showing a clear solution, it indicates the nano emulsion. So the B and C are the micro emulsions of our formulation. Formulations was within the range of water and the percentage transmitted were more than 99%, so which is in the range of 99 to 102.8, indicating transparency of the diluted systems. Next is the droplet size measurement, which is done by Jita Sizer after dilution in 1:200 ratios and mixing for 2 minutes. So droplet sizes were in the range 127 to 149. Usually microemulsions will be in the range of 100 to 250 nanometers. So these were self-emulsifying water and using Jita meter. So this is the data and these are the graphs. Now this is our F1 formulation with 1:1 ratio has Jita potential indicating stability of the formulation. This is of F3, which is 44.8, and F4, which is 47.6. All are having negative charge because of the free fatty acids. Drug content was evaluated according to IP by mixing 1:4 ratio of phosphate buffer and water. So these are drug content values. Next is the in vitro release, which is done by rotating paddle apparatus at 100 RPM, taking a dissolution medium on phosphate buffer and water. So this is a graph showing the in vitro release. If you see, within 20 minutes, the self-emulsifying formulations are showing better release compared to the marketed product. And at 20 minutes, the immediate release F2 formulation is showing more than 80%, which was found to be 82.26. So this is further optimized for the further study of anti-inflammatory activity. So this anti-inflammatory activity was carried out taking 3 groups of, one is a control, other the marketed product which has made into suspension, and other is the optimized formulation of F2. So if you find the percentage inhibition, significant inhibition was found with the optimized formulation. So In my area of research, my conclusion is like better self-emulsifying systems were able to be formulated with the indomethacin, but still further stability and pharmacokinetic
So this is certificate.